Creating UGC videos has never been easier. However, most UGC ads look like AI. But this one that I found is the most realistic UGC video creator I have ever tried. So let's dive in and I'll show you what this is and how you can get started with this to create hyper-realistic UGC videos. All right, so the tool we're using today is called Create UGC. I'll have a link for this in the description down below. They are the sponsor of today's video, but the owner, Leor, reached out to me and said, anyone who signs up for Create UGC using this video, using the link down below, will get an entire week to try it out absolutely for free. So make sure you use that link, come over here and click on Get Your First Video and sign up. Once you have an account, your dashboard is going to look like this. However, I have a bunch of videos in here that I've already made. You won't have any in here yet. So let's change that. Let's actually start your first video. To do that, you can click on the button that says Create New Video. One of the things I love about Create UGC is that every step of the setup process is powered by AI to make it as easy as possible for you to get the video that you want. For instance, the first thing you have to do is tell it what product you want the AI influencer to be talking about. And instead of downloading images of the product and uploading them here, all you have to do is find the product on your supplier's website. Like for instance, let's say I want to sell this tripod right here. I can just then grab the link for it, come over to Create UGC and paste it in. Next, you have to choose your video type. There are 3 types of videos. There's a video reaction, there's product in hand, and then there's product in hand powered by VO3. We're going to try all 3 of them, but I want to start with product in hand VO3 because in my experience, those ones come out the best. So selecting that one and then click on continue. Here you see the AI is actually looking at this product on Amazon and getting all the details and data about it. And here it brought in the title, the description, and all the images. You can make any changes you want up here. So if you don't want something in the title, you can change it. You can change the description as well. And then down here, you can select the image you want the AI influencer to use in the video. So for purposes of this, I want this image right here. And then we'll click on next. On this screen, you can choose your video settings. Now, because we chose video in hand as our video type, we are only able to create videos with the aspect ratio of 9:16. If you want other formats, I'll show you how to do that later. And because we're doing VO 3.1, the duration is limited to 8 seconds or 15 seconds. If you want longer videos, again, I'll show you how to do that with a different setting later. Other than that, the other thing you can change is the language. This is available in a ton of different languages. We have English, Spanish, French, German, Arabic, a long list. I'll choose English though and click on next. This is the fun part. You can now choose your AI avatar. You can sort up here, or you can just scroll through here and find one that you like and then click on next. On this next screen, the AI has produced for you an 8-second script that the AI avatar is going to read when they are presenting your product. If you chose 15 seconds, it obviously would be longer. So they give you 3 different options. You can choose whichever one that you like, or you can just start from scratch and tell it exactly what you want it to say. Personally, I find that these are usually really great. I like this one right here. And so I'll leave it on that one and click on next. And then let's give this a couple minutes to finish up and see what it makes for us. Once the video is available, you'll see it right here and you can click on watch.
No more shaky selfies. This magnetic tripod locks my phone in place. Grab yours now before it sells out.
I mean, that is super impressive. I mean, it's just getting so uncanny how realistic these videos are becoming, these AI generated videos with these influencers in them. It looks incredible. And this only took a few minutes to make. Now you can make some changes up here if you want to rename it or you want to edit the video. You can do that right here. There's actually a whole editor built in, but for sake of speed and efficiency, you don't have to do this. If you're happy with this video, just come into it and click on download, and then you can upload this wherever you need to use it. Let's try another example because I want to show you that depending on which type of video type you choose, it unlocks different capabilities and settings. For this one, we're going to choose video reaction instead of doing product in hand. For the product, I'll grab the URL for this one. It's this cute bunny handbag. And we'll come down here, click on continue. Here, the product name and description are going to be the same settings, but down here under assets, you can now choose multiple images instead of just one like you're limited to with product in hand. So I'll select all 4 of these, click on next. And now under settings, we got a lot of other options as well. So we're not limited now to just 9:16. You can do 1:1, you can do 16:9. You could have it optimized for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter. So I will select YouTube, which is of course 16:9. The languages are all the same. We have options for all of them. And the duration is now longer. We can do 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or as high as 60 seconds. I'll choose 30 seconds for this one and click on next. For the avatar, since this is a handbag, I'm going to choose a woman. So nothing different here, except now when you select your avatar, you get the choice of choosing what the voice will sound like. So let's listen to this one.
Welcome to Create UGC app, the #1 place.
That one's pretty good, but let's give another one a listen.
Welcome to Create UGC app, the number.
And maybe one more.
Welcome to Create UGC app.
I think I like Stella, so I'll select Stella and click on next. The script writing process is the same, so I'll select this one. And then we get a preview of what the video is going to look like. Now, this is just a very rough cut. And just to give you an idea of what you're going to end up with before you actually generate the video. So if you watch this.
Looking for the perfect mix of cute and practical? Our Kawaii Bunny crossbody bag offers ultra.
That's about what it's going to look like, but the lip syncing isn't matched up. So it just saves you a little bit of time before you actually generate the video, because if you don't like it, you can now go back and make any changes. But if you are happy with it, click on generate, and it's going to generate the finished polished product. And after just a couple of minutes, the video is now complete. So let's watch it together.
Looking for the perfect mix of cute and practical? Our Kawaii Bunny crossbody bag offers ultra soft comfort, a removable pearl chain, and totally transforms any outfit. It's not just a bag, it's your ticket to endless compliments. Limited edition and selling out quickly. Don't let someone else steal your style. Grab yours today. Tap to order before they hop away.
All right, so I think that turned out really well. I'm very happy with that. Personally, when it comes to creating these videos, I think the ones created by VO3 are better quality. They do look a little bit more realistic and lifelike, but the other two do give you access to more settings. So it really depends on what you're trying to do. No matter which one you choose though, each video only uses 1 credit. So it's very easy to keep track of, 1 credit per video. So far, I showed you the straightforward workflow of clicking on create new video and going through it step by step, but you can jump into any step of the process. So if you wanted to look at the avatars, you could click right here where it says avatars and see all the ones that are used for reaction videos and all the ones that are used for product in hand. You can then select one, click save and continue, and jump right into the process that way. If you already have a script, you can come into avatar and script and paste your script in here, or actually have the AI help you write a script. Just describe what it's about and it will generate the script for you. Coming back to the home page, you can also get inspiration for different videos by clicking right here. This shows you videos that are currently trending, so you can get an idea of what is popular and try to recreate these. And then finally, we have assets, and assets allow you to generate images. So if you don't have a product image yet, you can ask it to create an image for you. And it is using Nano Banana Pro, which is the latest model from Gemini. And personally, I think it is the best image generation model out there. There's another choice here. You can also do image to image. So let's say you do have an image of a product, but you just need some other assets that you can use. You can put up the image or upload the image here and then tell it how to make a image based on that one. And so then you'll have more than one image of your product. So for instance, I have this product right here, which is another selfie stick. So I uploaded that as a reference image. And now for my prompt, I can either type one in myself or click help me write a prompt. And I'll say this selfie stick, but being used outside, click on generate. And here we have a refined prompt. I'll accept that. It will then fill it in. And if I click on generate, it will take that prompt and that image and create a new image for me. And here we go. We can now see the new image that it created for us. There's a lot you can do with Create UGC to get videos exactly the way that you need. For instance, if you come over to Create New Video, so far we've been uploading product links, but if you click Add Product manually, you can enter in your own name, your own description, and your own images. So you can really make sure that you get your videos exactly the way that you want. By following these simple steps, you can generate UGC content without hiring creators, filming, or editing. Create UGC makes the process fast, affordable, and scalable, perfect for businesses that want to sell more with authentic UGC style videos. If you want to try it out for yourself, again, a link will be in the description down below. So make sure to click on that. You get 7 days absolutely for free to try it out and see if it's a good fit for you. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.